Hello students, in this video we will discuss about quadrilaterals, which is the chapter of 9th class maths and CRT. Quadrilateral is very important. Already you are familiar with quadrilateral from earlier classes, that means from junior classes. There are many type of quadrilateral, but knowing about the quadrilateral, first we know what is the quadrilateral or what is the definition of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is nothing but by the mathematical definition of the quadrilateral, we can say that a closed geometrical figure which has four sides. A closed geometrical figure, a closed geometrical figure which have four sides. In this definition, one thing is very important. Closed. That means if any figure which have four sides but not closed, that means suppose this is AB is the first side, BC the second side, this is CD is the third side, and if I like this, there is no closed figure but have four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not quadrilateral. But if this figure, if we join or closed, I like this, then A, B, C, D is a closed figure, then this is known as quadrilateral. That means in this definition, closed word is very important. A closed geometrical figure which has four sides is known as quadrilateral. Now we will know here how many type of the quadrilateral. There are many type of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. There are many type of quadrilateral. I write here some types of quadrilaterals. First is rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral because rectangle have four sides and this is a closed figure. Second is square. Third is parallelogram. Fourth is rhombus. Fifth is trapezium. And sixth is kite. There are some special quadrilateral and have a particular name. First is rectangle, second is quadrilateral, third is parallelogram, fourth is rhombus, and fifth is trapezium, and sixth is kite. Now we will take one by one and define which quadrilateral will be rectangle, which quadrilateral will be square, which quadrilateral will be parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. Now, first we take rectangle. What is the rectangle? Rectangle is nothing but this is a closed shape, a closed geometrical figure which have four closed sides, I like this, A, B, C, D. This quadrilateral which have four sides, and pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means AB parallel CD and next two pair of opposite side, that means AD and BC are parallel. Each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. This type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. Means which quadrilateral will be rectangle? That means a quadrilateral which have pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. Pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal also, and each angle will be equal to 90 degree. This type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. Now second, we take square. A rectangle is known as square whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal in length and pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means P, Q, R, S, where APQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SP. All sides are equal and all angles are also equal, and this will be equal to 90 degree. This type of shape, this type of geometrical figure is known as square. Now here take parallelogram, that means third. This is the first, this is the second. Now third, parallelogram. Parallelogram is nothing but this is a rectangle. Parallelogram is a rectangle whose opposite sides are parallel and equal. Pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, but all angles are not equal. That means all angles are not equal to 90 degree, while opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This type of quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. In this figure, one thing you should be clear. In the rectangle, both diagonals are equal in length. Both diagonals are equal in length and it bisect each other. In the square, both diagonals are equal and both diagonals are bisect each other at right angle. That means this angle is 90 degree. Each angle will be 90 degree. In the parallelogram, both diagonals is not equal in length, but each diagonal bisect each other. Now we will take here next quadrilateral rhombus. Fourth is rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but this is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. That means this type of shape. This is a parallelogram, but all sides are same length. A, B, C, D is known as rhombus. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are different length but bisect each other at right angle. In the rhombus, all angles are not equal to 90 degree, but opposite angles are equal in length. Equal in measurement. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Now take trapezium. Fifth is trapezium. Fifth is trapezium. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral, such type of quadrilateral in which pair of two opposite sides is parallel, but another pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. diagonals are not equal, then this type of shape is known as trapezium. And kite is a special type of quadrilateral in which pair of two adjacent sides are equal. Pair of two adjacent sides are equal. That means this side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. But diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. But diagonals intersect at right angle. Now these are the some quadrilaterals, special quadrilaterals related to this chapter. Now in the next video we will discuss about special property of the quadrilateral which is known as angle sum property of quadrilateral.